To clone apps on the Samsung Galaxy S26, we got actually two methods. The first one, you have to open Settings, and right now you will have to scroll down into the Advanced Features. And right now we are looking for dual messenger application. So this will allows us to copy social apps like, for example, Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram. Now when you go here, as you can see, we can find dual WhatsApp application. But of course, you can also do this with different applications, because here it's only supported for some Messenger applications. And to copy different applications, you have to go for security and the privacy. Now we have to go for more security settings, and you have to click on the secure folder. Now we have to just follow on-screen instructions. Basically, you have to wait for like 30 seconds until the secure folder will be created, and then you have to input the password, input it twice, and then you will be welcome with a secure folder that will look just like this. So let me just open it from the top. There we go. And take a look over here. I can find Facebook application, but it's also here. So as you can see, I can find here even the calendar application, and there's also another calendar application. So thanks to the secure folder, you can put here any application. So click on the plus. Let's say I want to clone my ChatGPT. I have to click add, and it's here. Let me know what you think about this one. Thanks for watching.